grade 5 or grade 6, when we were discussing a probability, you know that there is a likely, unlikely, and then certainty, impossible, and then even something like that. You already learned it when you were in grade 5 and grade 6, right? Here we are going to repeat again for a while, but later in when you do the IGCSE equation, most of the question will not asking the likelihood of the probability. So they will be mostly in a the answer has to be in answer, not in a sentence like likely, unlikely, even, uncertain, impossible. It will be so rare to find that kind of a question. But later, if you know that when the probability is equals to 0, it means that the even or anything it will never happens. When the probability is equals to 1, it means that's the only possible thing that will happen, something like that. Maybe to make it easier, I will continue to the question. So here this is the impossible, and then very likely, unlikely, equally, something you already learn it when you were in a grade 5. You already learn it. Impossible when the probability close to is 0, very unlikely when it is close to 0, is unlikely it close to a half but less than a half, and then equally likely or even outcomes when it is a half the ratio. Likely it is a bigger than a half but not close to 1. Very likely when it is close to 1 but not equals to 1. And then later have the certainty when it is equals to 1. Maybe in here, to make it easier, let us discuss the question. An ordinary fair dice, when you know the dice, the number on the dice, it will be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? There are 6 possible number on the dice, right? So if later there is a question, probability of getting number 6. So how many number 6 are there in the dice? On the dice, 1. And then yeah, so because the number 6 is only 1, getting 6 is 1, but the total number, that the possible number on the dice are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 possibilities. So the probability of getting number 6 is 1 out of 6. Anyone get confused to get 1 out of 6? Is there anyone who get confused? Okay. If probability of not getting a 6, so it means I need to check the number that are not 6. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers, right? That's why it will be 5 out of 6. If you do not want to try to check it one by one, as you know, the total probability will be always equals to 1. So when it is the probability of not getting a 6, it means I can do 1 minus the probability of getting 6. So 1 minus 1 per 6 will be equals to 5 per 6. Is there anyone who get confused at the example A? Is there anyone? No? Okay. If no one get confused, I will continue to the example B. Getting an even number. Because it is a dice, so the total outcomes, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the possible outcome 6. And then the question is asking even number. So it means we have to make a list for the even number on the dice. They are only 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, and 6, there are 3 numbers. So it will be 3 out of 6, the total number that is given on the dice. 3 by 6, we can simplify it into 1 per 2. Is there anyone who get confused? Is there anyone? No? Okay. If no one get confused, I'll continue to the next example. 30 students are asked to choose their favorite subject, maths, English, and art. And then there are boys and girls already being breakdown. Then the question is asking what is the probability that is a girl. So it means we have to count how many girls are there in the class. The total in the class there are 30 students. The question is 30 students are asked. So it means the probability will be out of 30 because this is asking that is a girl. There are 7 girls that choosing maths, 4 girls that are choosing English, 5 students that are choosing art. So 7 plus 4 plus 5, it will be equals to 16. So the probability of getting a girl, it will be 16 by 30, or we can simplify it into 8 by 15. For the another example in here, the probability that is a boy and then the favorite subject is art. So I just need to find the boys that choosing art. Only 6 students. So it will be 6 out of 30, which is equals to 1 per 5. Is there anyone who get confused, or maybe I talk too fast? Is there anyone?
No.
Okay. Okay. If no one get confused, it's on your textbook, exercise 33.1. It's maybe page 477 or page 478. Maybe you can check it by yourself. Okay. I'll continue for the question 1. Mark on the probability scale the probability that a die chosen at a random is Saturday. You know, in a week, how many days are there in a week?
7.
7.
7. So a day chosen at random is Saturday. So what is the probability of getting Saturday?
1 per 7.
Yeah, because there is only one Saturday on a week, and then in total there are 7 days. So it means 1 per 7. If 1 per
So it's
7, it
unlikely.
will be at impossible, unlikely, even, likely, or
Unlikely.
certainly. Which one?
Unlikely.
Yeah, unlikely. So I will write it as unlikely. If the question asking the, yeah, so this is the day chosen is unlikely. Okay. For the question B, a coin will show tails when spun. If a coin, there are how many possibilities in a coin?
2.
2. How many tails are
Even.
there in a coin?
Half. 1
No?
by
1.
1.
Out of how many possibilities? 2.
2.
So what is it? Is it impossible, unlikely, even, likely, certain? Which one?
Even.
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 Okay. For the question C, the sun will
Certain.
rise tomorrow. What do you think? The
Certain.
probability? Yeah. My God, the sun never rise. It's scary. So just make it as certain, because mostly so far when we live, so far as long as I live my life, next day I will see the sunrise. So it will be 1, right? So it will be certain. Is there anyone get confused or disagree with me?
No.
No. Okay. For the question D, a woman will run a marathon 2 hours in 2 hours. Sorry, my annotation button suddenly gone. Okay.
Likely.
What is? A woman will run in a marathon in 2 hours. Will woman be able to run a marathon in 2 hours? The girls?
No.
Unlikely.
No.
Unlikely.
can.
Huh?
Unlikely.
Unlikely.
Yeah, for me as a girl, it's
If the woman
unlikely.
fat,
Huh? Sorry?
if the woman fat can, right? 2 hours.
Yeah, but it's marathon never stop running, something like that. Yeah, it is possible, but for a woman, I don't think they will be like that so likely to do a marathon. Yeah.
Loh, teacher,
Uh-huh.
teacher, have lo teacher join teacher.
Who?
Ayo, have lo.
Yeah,
I
have.
don't know, but have.
Yeah, it's have,
Have
but
very, very
is it
pretty,
like,
you know. Asik.
no, if it is have, I mean like the total attendance on a marathon for a 2 hours complete marathon, it will be mostly women or mostly men?
Man.
Yeah, men, right?
Mostly
Man.
Men, right? That's why it will
And
be unlikely.
how about if we only have women?
I don't know. I've never heard any. Yeah, it is possible, but yeah, it's rare. It's rare. Okay. For the E, the next car you see will be a silver. Are you sure?
Likely.
Likely.
Unlikely. Yeah, there are so many cars. The car's color, it can be red, black, silver, white, and any. There are so many colors that is possible. That's why it will be unlikely. For the question 2,
There's so many
express the
cars.
answer question as a fraction or decimal. So before, for the number as getting a Saturday is 1 per 7, we already answered the question 2 actually. 1 per 7, if we change it into a decimal, it will be how many?
0.1. No,
Yeah, 1
I don't know.
1 4 2 something blah blah blah, yeah. Something like that.
Mm.
For the question 2, we already, before my annotation gone, yeah, you just can change the fraction that you get as a fraction
Yes.
and decimal or percentage. If I want to change as percentage, it will be 14.2%. Is there anyone who get confused so far, or maybe my explanation is not really clear enough?
No.
No? Okay. If no one get no confusion, I will move to the exercise 33.2. Let us discuss the question 1. Calculate the theoretical probability when rolling an ordinary fair dice of getting it's the following. 1. What is the probability of getting 1 on a dice?
1 per 6.
Okay, 1 per 6. For the B, if the score of
5 by 6.
okay, 5 by 6. And then for the C, an odd number.
3 per 6.
Okay, 3 per 6. There are 3 odd numbers there, 1, 3, and 5. For the question D, a score less than 6.
5 per 6.
Yeah, 5 per 6. Anyone get confused? Less than 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the dash, there is no negative number. There is no 0. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is less than 6. A score of 7?
0.
0.
Impossible.
Okay.
Impossible.
Yeah, 0. Because this is number. Calculate. So we have to write number, not words. Okay. Yeah, it's impossible, but better we write it as number. Score less than 7.
6 per 6.
Yeah,
6
6
by
per
6.
6. It is equals to how many? 6 per 6?
1.
1. Okay. Anyone get confused at question 1?
No.
No. Okay. I will move to the question 2. Calculate the probability of a person being born on Wednesday.
1 per 7.
Okay, 1 by 7. Not being born on a Wednesday.
6
6 by 7.
Okay. For the question B, explain the result of adding an answer. So if we plus all of them, the answer will be how many?
7
Yeah.
by 7 equals 1.
Yeah. Why we will get a 1? Why do we get
Because it's
1?
FEK.
Yeah, the total probability supposed to be 1. And in here, because it's about Wednesday, there are only 2 options, Wednesday and not Wednesday. So yes, the answer will be equals to 1, the total days in a week. Okay, good job. For the question 3, 250 balls are numbered from 1 to 250 and placed in a box. A ball is picked at random. Find the probability of picking a ball with the number 1. So what is the probability of getting 1?
1 by 250.
Okay, 1 by 250. Good job. For the question B, an even number. How many even numbers?
175
Are you sure?
per 250.
125.
25 per 250. Okay. 3-digit number. What is a 3-digit number?
50 by 250.
How did you get 50?
150.
How did you get 150? Almost correct. How did you get 150?
151 because
150.
100 until 250 is 3-digit number.
Okay, from 1 until 99, non 3-digit, right? Non 3-digit. And then from where to where, the 3-digit from 100 until 250, 3-digit. Okay, but there is something missing in here. Miss a calculation for a while, a bit silly mistake. So from number 1 until number 100, from number 1 until number 99, there are how many numbers?
2.
No.
Digit to digit.
No.
99.
Okay, like from number 1 until
Mm.
number 5. There are number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4,
99.
number 5, right? So the
99.
non-three-digit
161.
number, there are 99 for the
100.
non-three-digit, right? So
Three
for the
digit.
three-digit,
151.
yeah,
Not
251, not 150, sorry, 151. Is there anyone get confused with my explanation? Why is it 151?
No.
Yeah,
No.
because the non-three digit is starting from number 1 until number 99. From 1 until 99, there are 99 numbers. So the rest are 3 digit. The total, there are 250 balls. So 250 balls I minus with 99 balls, which is not 3 digit number. 250 minus 99, the answer is 151. That's it. Okay, is there
That's it.
anyone who get confused?
No.
No.
Okay. If no one get confused, I will move to the question D. A number less than 300. What is the
250 by 251.
250 by 251? Why?
No,
250
equals to
Oh,
1.
oh, equals to 1. Okay, sorry. Is there anyone who get confused? Or my explanation is too fast? Is there anyone who get
No.
confused? No? Okay. If no one get confused, I will move to the next question. Yeah, question 4. In a class, there are 25 girls and 15 boys. The teacher takes in all of their books at a random in order. Calculate the probability that the teacher will mark the book belonging to a girl first, and then what is the probability of getting a girl first?
25 by 40.
Okay, good job. Oops, sorry. 25 by 40. And then for taking a boys first, how many?
15 by
15 by
40.
40.
Okay, this is easy, right? Not hard, right? For the probability. For the question 5, tiles its letters with a different letter in the alphabet are put into a bag. If one tiles is taken out of a random, calculate the probability that it is an E or P. The total alphabet, there are how many alphabet that we know?
26.
Yeah, 26, correct. So if I want to take A or P, what is the probability of getting A or P?
2 by 26.
Yeah, 2
or
by 26. Can we simplify this?
1
yes.
by
Yes, 1
13.
by
Yeah, 1
13.
per 13. If you can simplify it, better simplify it, yeah. So the previous one we haven't simplified. 25 by 40 we haven't simplified. Divided by 5 will be 5
5
or
by 8.
8. Okay. 15 by 40 it will be 3 by 8. Okay. A vowel. How many vowel are there?
5 by
5.
26.
Okay, 5 by 26. And then consonant.
21 by 26.
Good job. An X, Y, or Z.
3
3 by 26.
3 by 26. Good. A letter in your first name.
1 by 26.
Okay, anyone get confused? Is there anyone who get confused?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, we have 3 minutes. I think it's enough to discuss question 6. A boy was late for 5 times in a previous 30 days, 30 school days. If tomorrow is a school day, calculate the probability that he will arrive late.
5 by 30.
Yeah, 5 by 30. Is there anyone who get confused so far?
No.
Or is there anything confusing? No, for sure. Is there anything confusing?
No.
Oh,
Teacher,
Yes? Yes, Nico?
how do you make it into percentage? I cannot
Oh,
forgot.
if you want to change into percentage, wait. So if you want to change it into percentage, wait, my PowerPoint is a bit laggy. So like we already have the probability of getting an A or B in the question 5A, 2 by 26, or we can simplify it into 1 per 13, right? if we are going to change it into percentage, just do 1/13 multiplied by 100%. So it will be the percentage that you are going to check. Just make it into one decimal place for the percentage and round off the number properly. Can you tell me what is the percentage of 1/13, Nico?
7.69.
7 point, how many? Sorry. Yeah,
7.7.
7.6. Yeah, 7.7 is okay. 7.69 also okay. At least one decimal place. If you want to keep it into many decimal place is also okay, but at least one decimal place. Is there anyone have any confusion here? Or maybe I talk too fast? No? Okay.
No.
No.
Really? For sure?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, if you have no confusion, I think that's all for today's class. The homework, okay. There are questions 7, 8, 9, 10 that haven't this. Yeah, I'm going to bargain with you. 7, 8,
Oh,
9,
nice.
10. Pick 2 questions that you want to do as the homework. Pick
7,
the
8, 9, 10.
question.
Pick two.
7, 8,
Two.
7, 8.
2 questions.
Pick
7,
Yeah.
8.
So the
Yeah.
homework is doing your textbook question 7 and 8. Okay, it's not taking so much time to do it because
Teacher,
when we discuss
just
with
directly do it in paper.
yeah, in a paper it's okay, or you can do it in your textbook and take a picture of it. It's also okay.
Okay.
Nothing hard, right, for today's class?
No.
So I'm
Nice.
expecting that all of you will be submitting my homework.
Yes. Hopefully.
7, 8
Yeah.
only, right?
Yeah, 7 and 8. 7 and 8 only. The one who choose the homework was you, so I hope that you will do it properly and submit it to me on time. Okay?
Teacher,
Yes?
if suddenly I choose the different number, can?
Yeah, 2 numbers out of 4 numbers. 2 numbers
Okay,
out
okay.
of 4. So
Okay.
it will be up to you. 7, 8, 9, 2 numbers out of those 4 numbers, it will be your homework. You can pick any of them as long as 2 numbers.
Okay.
If you want to
Okay,
do it all, it's also okay.
So, teacher, if we do all, do we get any gift?
Extra GP, that's it that I can give.
Wow.
Oh.
We need something bigger, teacher.
I don't know. We haven't made any
Money.
questions yet.
Wow.
No money, no
Duitan,
money.
marah duitan.
Profit.